Hello students, this question is taken from test series 9 from the subject networks from the topic sinusoidal steady state analysis, and it is of common data question for the question number 48. In the given question, for the circuit shown, switch S is closest at t is equal to 0. The switch T here, that is at t is equal to 0, switch will be closed and the initial conditions are 0 and the voltage source E of t is given sine of omega t plus theta, that is E of t is given as sine of omega t plus theta, and it is network is like this, that is resistor is in series with the inductor. What should be the theta be in terms of R and C and omega, so that the coefficient of free space response term is 0. We have to find the value of what the theta in terms of R and C and omega, so that the coefficient of free response term is 0. So the value of S, that is which is closest at t is equal to 0. Then for the unit step input, the value of E of t here becomes E of S by S, that is equal to I of S, that is I of t is Laplace transform I of S into R plus Ls, that is series. From here we can calculate the value of I of S, that is I of S equal to E of S by S by R plus Ls is equal to E of S by S by L into S plus R by L by taking the L as common. From here the value of I of t will become E by R into 1 minus E minus AT, that is A is here R by L, that is minus R by L into t. So I of t is consists of the two parts, that is one is the steady state response, second is the transient response. So for one, if the value of E of t has given sine of omega t plus theta, then the value of I will become, that is 1 by root of R square plus omega square into sine of omega t plus theta minus tan inverse of omega L by R. If the value of theta will become tan inverse of omega by L by R, then the coefficient of free response term is 0. So here the value will become 0. So the value of, if the theta value become, that is tan inverse of omega L by R, then the coefficient of the free response term is becomes 0. That is nothing but which is the value of theta is equal to tan inverse of omega L by R, that is option B. Tan inverse of omega L by R, that is option B. Hence, in this session we have studied about how to calculate the value of theta in terms of R, L and omega, so that the coefficient of the free response term will become 0. Thank you.